Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be going over the key mapping for the ICUE software made by Corsair. If you don't know, I am a big fan of Corsair. My keyboard, mouse, and headset stand are all from Corsair. Love their products, and I think about a year ago or a few months back I did a tutorial on the key mapping for macro programming, and a lot of people were having issues of it not working. There are times where the software itself, once installed, can be buggy, and the only way to unfortunately fix that is to uninstall and reinstall the program. So if you haven't done that already, I recommend doing that before continuing. If that still doesn't work, I am going to go over it again more in depth and show you step by step on how it's done. So with that said, obviously you're going to want to install the software. I'll have a link down in the description below for you guys to click on. And you're going to want to install it for Windows or Mac, whatever you're using it on. Excuse me. And with that, once it's installed, obviously launch it. Alright, so once it's launched, it's going to show all your devices that are connected to the computer. It's going to recognize it and recognize that's a Corsair product. And what you want to do from there is select the device that you want to program the macro or the key mapping on. In this case, I'm going to be using my Scimitar Pro mouse because it's the only programmable keys I have. And from there, you want to go to this left side over here. Actually, before we even do that, I'm going to make a profile for this because I have everything shut up. You're going to select the device from the top here, and then from there, you're going to go to the left and click Actions. From there, you're going to click the plus symbol, and then personally I like to flip this guy around to where I'm actually seeing the side of it. Before you can actually program the key mapping down here, you're going to have to select the actual key by clicking on it on the picture, and it's going to map it. This is the mapping for the buttons. And once it's clicked, you are going to want to get down to the drop down box here and click KeyStroke. Once that's done, you're going to click here and click the letter or the key that you want to program that button to. So in this case, I use R for reloading for first-person shooters, so I'll hit R, and it's saved. So just to show you that it works, I'm going to open up a document, my Google Doc, and just show you how this works, and then show you the difference between a macro and a key map. We're just going to hit the button. And I can hold it down. As I'm holding down the button, obviously expands. It's basically the equivalency of me hitting the key on the keyboard. Essentially what a keystroke is. So then macro. So we're gonna trash this, do the same thing again except hold down R. Release. So obviously time went up on the delay. And then what that does is this. I hit it once, it repeats that action for that amount of time. So that's really the only difference between a macro. Macros kind of mess around with delays, whereas keystrokes are just straightforward. It's just as the equivalency of you hitting the key on the keyboard. I hope this video helped. I hope it cleared stuff up. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate again to drop them down in the comments section. I'll do my best to help you guys to my ability. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next week.